Hello candidates, welcome to our videos. Today I am teaching you using my yellow notes. These are notes I made long time ago, but as long as you're able to see the handwriting, everything is well. I just want to take you through the 5 kingdoms that are used in classification of organisms, and this video is just a reminder because we've done quite a number of them that have the same content. We have 5 kingdoms, and my kingdoms have been our kingdoms, the kingdoms of classification, have been organized or arranged from the smallest to the largest. If you can see, for example, the first kingdom here called Monera, I have written most primitive. This is the smallest kingdom, and of course of all the kingdoms with very few members. So kingdom Monera, these are bacteria and viruses. They are the most primitive. That means they are the less developed members in this kingdom. So we have examples of bacteria. We have Streptococcus pneumoniae. There's an E here. I told you these are yellow notes, but we will work together. We have the Vibrio cholerae. This one causes, the first one causes pneumonia. This one, Vibrio cholerae, causes cholera. Neisseria gonorrhea causes gonorrhea. Salmonella typhi, there's a double L here, typhi causes what we call typhoid. We also have examples of viruses. Remember the COVID-19 virus. Yeah, we have the HIV and AIDS virus. So those are the examples of members of Kingdom Monera. They are most primitive, and these members are prokaryotic. I will tell you in the next video what prokaryotic means. But simply it means these organisms, they lack nuclear membranes. Their nuclei are just material that are not true nuclei. Another kingdom, number 2, we are now going upwards. We are moving to a better one in terms of development, and which is less primitive. We call it Protoctista. Most marking schemes in KCSE allows us to use Protista. These are protozoans, and we have a range of them, so many of them. We have the algae, an example of algae is Spirogyra. We have the amoeba, we have the paramecium, we have the chlamydomonas, plasmodium, and whatnot. This is classification 2. You will get it in Form 3, the first chapter, and you will see all these diagrams even in Form 1 classification. So Monera, number 2, Protista or Protoctista, protozoans. Number 3, we have fungi. Some people say fungi, but that one depends on where you schooled your early days of pre-primary. These ones include molds, and an example of molds, we can say the bread molds, which we call the rhizopus species. We also have another member, which is yeast, and also we have mushrooms. You will know the importance of yeast. Yeast is used in fermentation or manufacture of alcohol, manufacture of bread, and so forth, as you study about fungi. The study of fungi is called mycology. That one I had to remind you about that. So members of these fungi are yeast, mushrooms, rhizopus, or the bread molds. Then we go to the next one. Now we are advancing. We have Plantae. All plants of all nature, from simple plants, herbaceous ones, to the large vascular trees, all of them fall in Kingdom Plantae. They can be green or non-green. You know the characteristics of all plants. Examples, we say moss plants. These are very small ones, very young, very less developed. Fern plants, maize, beans, jacaranda, etc. All plants fall in Kingdom Plantae. Finally, we have Kingdom Animalia, the largest kingdom now. The largest kingdom and the most developed kingdom. Kingdom Animalia, we have all animals of all nature, from simple invertebrates to large chordates. We can give examples: housefly, spider, crabs, lizard, elephant, hawk, cow, name them. We have, in this Kingdom Animalia, we have 2 phyla. We have the phylum Arthropoda, we have the phylum Chordata. Phylum Arthropoda stands for those small ones, like insects, which have classes like Insecta, and these are the organisms that are very small, which are invertebrates, and of course which have jointed appendages. But when it comes to Chordata, these are large ones. For example, mammals, reptiles, amphibians, birds, fishes, and so forth. So you'll study this one in details as we go through our revision. But today, that short video of 5 minutes only, we've been able to cover Monera kingdom and its functions and its examples. Sorry, we have looked at Protoctista or Protoctista, we've looked at Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. All the best as you follow Smart Learners Studio -Kiongozi. I am your teacher, Mr. Wilfred. See you in the next video.